Hi everybody, and welcome to 3D Survey tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit layers found under CAD functions. The layers are used for better categorizing of, for example, roads, buildings and construction sites. They can be seen in the list of layers on the right. We can add a layer by clicking plus sign in the top right corner just above the list. On the top of our list, we can see a couple of letters. The first one is S, and it stands for layer selected. You can also see that if you put your mouse cursor on it. In the column, we select in which layer we want to be drawing or editing. We select our layer by clicking the icon. You will also see the name of the selected layer will be marked stronger. You can only have one layer selected at a time. The second one is V, and it stands for layer visible. In this column, we decide which layers we want to be seen by clicking the eye icon. We do it because after having a big number of layers, it can get very hard to draw new things if all the previous are visible. You can have more layers visible at once. The third letter is L, and it stands for layer locked. What it does is it still shows you the lines and the points in the layer, but you can't do anything with them. So in case you have a huge number of lines and still need to see them, but it makes it difficult to draw new things because the points are snapping on the existing lines, you just lock those layers by clicking the lock icon and you will be able to draw your lines without interruptions. The next thing we have is our layer name. To change it, we double click on it and change it to desired one. To confirm your decision, just click Enter. At last, we have two letters used for changing appearance. The first one is C, and it stands for color. To change it, double click on the color icon and change it to desired one. You confirm your decision by clicking OK. You will also see that color of the icon will change after that, making it easy to later identify the lines on the surface. The last letter is W, and it stands for layer line weight. It is used for making the lines more prominent. We change it by double-clicking the number and changing it to desired one, or use the arrows on the right to make it bigger or smaller. In case we want to delete the layer, we must first select it and then click the minus button in the right corner just above the list of layers. After doing so, it will ask you if you really want to delete the layer and you confirm your decision by clicking Yes. If you click the arrow next to the minus button, you will see the two other options for deleting. The first one is delete all layers and the other is delete all empty layers. Empty meaning you haven't drawn anything into it. In both cases, the computer will ask you if you really want to delete those layers, and to confirm your decision, you click Yes. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.